Siguro kaninang umaga pa yung iba dito eh. Mon Cargo, meron kaming promo, 5 plus 1. Padala kayong 5. Dadating sa Pilipinas, 6. Padala kayo isa, dadating doon 2. Kasi mag-o-order pa kayo isa pa eh. Okay! Sana nandito ka pa. Balikbayan box, free shipment. Ang nanalo ay si Narisa Langmaid. Kasi Langmaid. Pag nasa dito sa Amerika, Langmaid. Pag sa Pilipinas, Langmaid. Is that you? Narisa. How do you pronounce your last name? Langmaid. Bakit naging Langmaid? Halika. Teka, sandali. May tatanong ako sa'yo. Bakit ka naging Langmaid?
Puti eh.
Uy, puti. Nasaan yung puti?
Melda, yung price niya nandyan.
Nasa bahay naglalaba. Meron kang free shipment from Mon Cargo to the Philippines. Yay!
Marami ako ipadadala.
Oh, sige, tama. Okay. Bibigay akong t-shirt. Okay, mamaya kakanta muna ako. Tapos after I sing, I'll t-shirt naman, t-shirt. Pero pupunta muna ako dito. Maghahanap ako ng pogi. Yan, kunyari, pogi po kayo. Meron kayong postcard ng Mon Cargo? Nako, tatanong pa naman ako sa inyo. Bibigyan ko kayo ng magandang t-shirt. Masasagot mo kaya? Hindi, ano? Sinong may postcard ng Mon Cargo na hawak ngayon? Saan?
Ayun.
Halika dito, pogi. Hi, okay. What is, without looking there, what is the, tumitingin ka na eh. Toll-free number of Mon Cargo.
1-800-42-4300.
Galing mo nang magbasa? Okay, meron ka na dong t-shirt. Size extra small yan, ha? Okay, maybe, sino meron? Siguro lahat kayo nasa Facebook, no? You have Facebook accounts? Everybody's on Facebook? You can add me as your friend. I will not ignore Fedelos Reyes. I did a show called Facebook. Yeah, Facebook. Yan. So, kung yan ang uso ngayon eh. Imagine, there are like 400 million already in Facebook. It used to be 40 million, ha? Ngayon, 400 million. Isang country na. Sige, music tayo para masaya. Sa lahat ng mga merong Facebook accounts. Sige na, kunan nyo na ako, tapos itag nyo na ako. Music, please. Wala? Bakit wala ako kayong postcard ng Mon Cargo?
Magbigay ka.
Bago lang. Ha?
Magbigay.
Siya nga ho. Hindi ko narinig. Siguro, umpisahan natin.
Been working so hard, keep punching your card. 8 hours for what? I tell you what you got. You got this feeling, kailangan mong mag-unwind. Just got this thing, I swear you'll have a good time. Ngunit at Facebook, dami na ang nabok. Yes, laging nakikinig. Aras, mangyak, daming balakubak. And nag-login, everybody look Facebook. Some songs that have a good time. Ingat baka ma-addict. Ay! Lahat sumigaw na! Look, Facebook, dami na
Wow, dami ng friend request. Mango. Sa profile niya ay kalbo. Kenny. Nag-login. Everybody look, everybody look. Everybody look, everybody look. Everybody look, everybody look, everybody look. Facebook! Facebook! Naman, sa profile niya ay kalbo. Kenny. Teka muna. Teka, huwag ka magmadali. Sandali lang po. Sandali lang. Sandali lang. One more, before I sing my next song, one more raffle ticket. One more raffle ticket. Yes. Ha? Mabibigay ako. Kung sinong una makapunta sa akin dito, bigyan ako ng halik, meron kaagad t-shirt.
Dali.
Kiss the lips!
Talaga, ha?
The lips!
Kala mo, bibigay ko lang sa'yo ng napakadali. Pahirapan kitang konti. Anong pangalan ng favorite cargo? Magkamali kasi talaga. Ano sa
Cargo.
Mon Cargo. What's your name?
Rogelio Orteza.
Ang kala ko, Rogelio de la Rosa. Meron kang polo from Mon Cargo. Mon Cargo, ang best friend ko. Okay, one more free shipment. Okay, bobolahin. Ito, bibigay ko mamaya. Tatapon. Okay, one more. And then, nilagay nyo rin ba dito yung email? Marami pa sa atin dito yung everything, ever since I did the show, Facebook, marami ako natatanggap na sulat eh. They were asking me help how to send an email. Marunong ba kayo mag-email lahat? Everybody knows how to send an email?
Yes.
Mamaya, tuturuan ko kayo kung hindi pa marunong. Ang nanalo ng free shipment to the Philippines from Mon Cargo, I see paano ba? Nathaniel? Nathaniel? Is that how you pronounce it? Nathaniel Castro from Fremont. Wow! All right. Hi, Nathaniel? Tinan mo sa Nathaniel sa Philippines. Congratulations, Nathaniel. You got free shipment to the Philippines. All right. Mamaya, nilalapitan ko dito. Sino dito single? Byuda. Meron ba dito ng byuda?
Ayun, dalawa na yan.
Kayo po? Byuda na po. Manong you are, I will give you. Salamat. Give it to your future husband. Okay, this is a song para sa inyong lahat na gusto matuto magpadala ng email. Kasi we all send emails but some don't know how yet, you know? Okay? Pakinggan nyo. Ganito yon. Music, please. Ika'y nag-iisa, matagal ka nang nabiyuda. It's unbelievable. You just bought yourself a new computer. There's something you need to know. Sabi mo you don't know how to send an email. Well, here is something that you should do. And baby, just in time you'll know it too. Yeah. One, lagyan mo ng address. Two, lagyan mo ng subject. Three, kung may attachment ka, just make sure that it's attached. And four, you write your messages. Five, you gotta check your spelling next. And when you finally get to the end, all you have to click is send. Diba? Sinong teenager dito? Ito. Ikaw ay teenager. Hindi masyadong smart. You're so emotional. You just don't know what it's all about. All of your other friends, panay ang emailan.